After showing my students how to decompose a fraction to find its equivalent, we also went into how to find an equivalent fraction through multiplication and division. After multiple examples, students had a chance to try this on their own using whatever multiplication or division that they wanted to. So you'll see that these are some of my students' answers for these. And I did not specifically tell them that I wanted them to multiply each one by 2, for example. I told them that I just wanted them to find an equivalent fraction by using multiplication or division. So these are some of my students' examples. Here's another student's examples. You'll see that they have some different ones. So for example, for 22, this student did divide. However, they divided a little wrong. This should be 1/5, but however, they did try to use that division. Once we were done with this, students were given the opportunity to actually play around the world, where I showed flashcards and students competed against each other to see who could come up with the equivalent fraction fastest. Most students found the trick right away, which was to multiply by 2, multiply by 10, and then eventually, after a couple rounds of that, I ended up banning 2s and 10s so that students had to really think deeper about how to find an equivalent fraction. It was really fun, and I will say that it was a little bit of a win because for the rest of the year, every day after school, while students were waiting for the bus, they asked to play equivalent fraction around the world. So we did that for about 2 months, which was really, really great.